Hey, welcome back, man. Non-consensual towing. Rolling in hot right now. Little text message I got says you can't miss it. Up the hill to the back, you can't miss it. So this ought to be interesting. If it's a can't miss, yeah, it definitely is. Somebody ran off the driveway up there. They may be stuck, I don't know, but it's an impound call, so we're gonna get it. This was definitely interesting. Looks like they hit the pole or something. Anyway, this is going to be trickier than I originally thought, because I don't want to tear down the post, and I don't want to tear up the car. They hadn't actually heard the car yet, so we're gonna do our best not to tear anything up. Well, we got what we came for. We got it loaded regardless. We got the vehicle loaded. We didn't tear up the street light post. We didn't tear up the post. We didn't tear up the car. And we got the impound without too much. What's going on?
I gotta pay you to get that right now. I just called a tow truck. My friend did that.
Okay.
He's literally like 5 minutes out. I just called him.
Let me call the boss.
I'll pay you whatever right now.
If the stipulation is I gotta call him and ask him what it is.
You want me to go down there with you? I'll go.
Let me pull up right here while I'm not blocking any cars. I'm not. I'm fine. You're trying to pay it. I'm not going to leave with it. I'm not going to leave with it.
Okay, thank you. Yeah,
Let me pull it right here. That's fine.
To get it out of there.
We got drunk and our friend took it.
No, somebody stole the car.
They stole it.
They stole it. Let me pull up right here. I'll call my boss. We'll figure it out.
All right, it's coming. Thank you so much, dude.
No problem.
Hey, man, for real. Like,
Yeah.
how stupid people are.
Yeah, I know. It happens, man. I'm just glad I was able to get it out without tearing.
Dude, I'm glad I saw you.
Yeah, without tearing up the vehicle.
I mean,
Because it was on a. I mean, I'm glad he didn't hit the
how
post.
did you get that in there like that?
He ran off. I mean, hey, it was hanging. I mean, it was hanging off the rear end. I think you're still in one piece. That tire looks a little bit low. A little bit low. I don't think we didn't bust no tires. Hey, it did drag. Hey, listen, when he hit, it bottomed out. You probably ought to check your brake lines, just because he bottomed out. When he hit, it drug, because he tried to drive it out, and it drug. So you could have a brake line. I would check it, man. Make sure you don't have any leaks, man. Yeah, have a good one, man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Appreciate it. Have a good one. They wasn't mad at all. I said that situation happened to them. I don't know if you caught it. Somebody that they know. They got a little tipsy last night. Somebody that they were hanging out with. Jumped in the car and went for a little ride. And that happens, man. You got to keep your keys. When you're having a party, you got to keep your keys hid, especially if you got people that are suspect around there. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and talk to the office, and we're gonna get out of here and get to my next call. Got another one here, just pulled in. This property's got a few here, and I found one that needs to be towed. Looks like they were stickered about 6 days ago. Let's see if anybody's here. We may have somebody come out, we might not, but ain't but one way to find out. That's to go in here and hook it up. So that's what we're fixing to do. Alright, look, he come running out. What's up, man? Why don't you just talk to the office?
Huh?
Have you talked to the office?
No, why?
Because you got a bad tag.
Yeah.
All you gotta do is talk to the lady. All you gotta do is call up there and talk to them. You didn't talk to them?
Yeah, I got to them.
Yeah. Huh?
I mean, I was putting everything. I'm going to go now, right now, to go to the thing, with the plate.
Okay, well listen, in the meantime, just talk to them, man. You got, all you do is communicate with them. If you don't talk to them,
I went
yeah. Yep. I'm trying to take off running. Anyway, that's the way it goes. If I had that was one vehicle. If I would have had a wheel lift, I would have got it loaded. Anyway, that's the way it goes. Can't get them all. Oh yeah, we're back again. We got another impound right here. We pull up at a gas station. Somebody left this vehicle. It's like somebody left this vehicle here. Kentucky tag. Left this vehicle on this gas station's parking lot. And didn't evidently they didn't contact anybody at the station here. So we're gonna tow this thing. We gotta go inside real quick and double check with the guy behind the counter right here. We'll walk inside real quick and talk to him. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and remove it. We're gonna go ahead and remove it off the property, man. That's what we do. That's why he called us. So let's get it. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and write this thing up. It does have an expired tag on it. That's not why it was towed. It was towed because it was blocking this guy's parking spots to his store. He might not have towed it had it not been blocking a parking spot. He might not have towed it. Very possible. If it was parked in a regular parking place, it probably would have been okay, at least for a little while. Anyway, we'll sign out and roll.